Alrighty, up next, we've got our wood chop. So this is a high to low. Guys, with our wood chops, just like we're holding an axe, we want to make sure our lead hand, so the way I'm pulling down to is over the top, and the non-lead hand grabs it from the bottom. So over the top for the lead, under for the bottom. From here, making sure, guys, again, this is a rotation exercise, so make sure you're rotating. What we don't want to do is just pull the body over. We want to rotate. Now you'll see how that just caught. That's a perfect example. You see how that just caught there. I've not set myself up properly. So with those straight arms, you want to make sure once they're straight, they're in line with the pole. If my shoulder's in line with the pole, watch what happens. Bang, hits my neck. I probably fall over. If you've got a hairy neck, you're not going to have a hairy one after that band reps it all out. So avoid that. So when we set up, arm out front, from there, we're rotating, remember guys, so we're going to be pivoting. We're rotating around. What we're not doing is pushing the body over. I'm not just using my body weight to stretch that band. I'm rotating on that axis. You see that back foot pivoting, that's completely fine. If you actually stay square, you start to place a little too much load on the knee, so make sure you pivot, guys. All right? Wood chop.